Do some talking.
Yeah.
Can you say cheese?
G.
Can you say cracker?
Daddy.
Can you say cookie?
Daddy.
Can you say daddy?
Papa.
Can you say baba?
Ba.
You say bubby? No. Can you say cat? Can you say cat? Can you say cat? Can you say dog?
Da.
Can you say cat?
Da.
Can you say duck?
Da.
Can you say bear?
Ma.
Can you say bird?
Ma.
Sorta. Can you say rabbit?
Ba.
What? Can you say rabbit? Alright, not his finest words, but we're gaining a vocabulary. It's very exciting. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Blow a kiss.
Ma.
Bye-bye.